Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a couple of weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And just want to get the chart updated here as we go into the weekend. But update's probably not the right word because it's not like there's any new levels of resistance or new levels of support. If anything, it's more so just confirmation of levels that I've talked about in the past. They are still indeed presenting a problem for the chart. And I don't mean problem in a bad way, just simply that the bulls are struggling around, an area that I talked about as resistance, and it still is indeed that level of resistance. But the other, good news part is, so that's why I say problem, I don't mean it's like the whole chart's about to collapse, but these lows, it's all about the lows, and you can see that after today, once again, when you look at where this set of lows was, and then you compare that to, where that set was. If you picture each of these as stair steps, the stair steps are continuing to build upward. So a lot of times people think that unless levels of resistance are being broken, it's a bad day. Not at all. Sure, today the price got rejected, but it's also building higher bases. And from a big picture perspective, that's definitely the key thing from a health perspective. And as far as, the overall move is concerned, and I've talked about this in the past videos, it's all about that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As long as the price is above and stays above that level, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full control. And as you can see, that line's way down there. The price closed way up there. So it's not even close of being, threatened at this point in time. Even after the 50-period, still have this level of support right there at 52 cents. But yeah, preferably speaking, you definitely want to see the price stay up above that purple line. And then the more so the point of confirmation that I'm referring to is right up here at 65 cents. I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but if you have, I've been talking about it as a level of resistance. And the problem is getting the true break. And a true break has the two parts. The first part is, well, of course, the price just has to break above a level, but then the price has to be able to maintain above the break, and the whole maintaining is a problem. Here you can see multiple times, sure, the price broke above it, so that first step was completed. Again, a bunch of times was able to break up above it, but then when it came to that second part, maintaining, could not maintain, price fell back below, and then price fell back below here. The good news is it's not like the price closed super far below it, so on Monday, it's not like the price is going to have to, travel a great distance to do battle with 65 again. So as far as breaking it, that's not the problem. The problem at this point is just maintaining it, so we'll see if the bulls can do that or not next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.